Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you're going to learn on how to add a blog page to Wix website. So first thing that we should do is we just have to go to our Wix account, of course, and then once you're here, we can edit an existing website or create a new one. For this video, since we are going to add a blog page, I am going to edit an existing site. So I'm just going to find my site, and then after that, just click on select site or edit site. Okay, so once you're here, just click on the edit site option at the top right. Okay, and then you'd be directed to this page or another tab will open. Okay, then once you're here, let us check if this site has a blog page. Okay, so to check it is you just have to simply click on the page option at the top left. So this one right here, and as you can see, for this site, I don't have a blog page. Okay, so what we're going to do is to add a blog page. So to do that is you just have to go here on the pages. Okay, and then you'd be able to see this manage pages option at the bottom left. So just click on it. And then right here for your site menu, under the site menu, we have these menus. So right here, you'd be able to see the add page. So just click on this one. Okay, and then right here, we have different pages that we can add to our website. But looking into this section, we have a blog. So you just have to click on it and then start a blog. So all of the pages and tools you need to run a blog. So we have blog page and post page. So what we're going to do here is to simply add Wix blog. Okay, so when you click on this option, so you just have to wait for a few seconds while they are adding your Wix blog. Okay, so once done adding your Wix blog, you'd be able to see here all of the posts that you have created in this website. And just a disclaimer, this posts are not actually from me. So this is from this template, but you don't have to worry because we can upload our own post right here. So now let's start customizing our blog page. So just click on settings and then this page will open. So we have here the main, so blog feeds, to customize the layout and design of your blog feed or create a post. So going to the display section, so what shows on your feed. So you can include here all of the things that you want to appear on your feed. So for example, this one, if you would like to add an image for the writer name, so you can click on this box right here or uncheck this one, as well as the other information on your blog post. So we have publish date, heading time. Then if you would like to include the category label, so you can check this box right here. Okay, next one is for the layout. Okay, so just click on the layout option. So here we can choose a layout. The first layout is we have side by side. Next one is the editorial. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Next one is the feed. We also have magazine, full post, and one column. So for this one, I think I'll be using the side by side layout. And when I scroll down, we also have here the image resizing. We have crop and fit. Okay, so you can choose between the two. And then here we have image ratio. We have 4:3, 1:1, or 3:4. For the additional image settings, so we can click on this one right here. And we have here the image alignment and the image proportions. Okay, so scroll down, and here we also have the text alignment. And for the layout settings, we have the spacing between posts, we have margins, text side, padding, and more. And for the post loading, so how should posts load on your feed? So we have infinite scroll or pagination. We also have here the number of posts per scroll, so you can adjust this one as well. Now let's go to the design section. So here, let us start with the navigation. So here in the navigation, we have here the blog menu, right? So the font style and color of the paragraph too. So we can change this one. We also have the font color of for click and hover. Okay, so if you would like to change this one, just click on the color and you'd be able to see here the different colors, or you can also add a new color. Next one is for the post. So just the same, we have here the title style and the color. So this is the heading too. So if you want to change the color, for example, this one, okay, so I'll be using the red one. And then after that, just click on next. Okay, so for the description and style and color, so we have paragraph 2. So if you would like to change the color of this one, just click on the color. And then here under the text color and hover, so we have here the border opacity and color. Okay, so if you would like to change it, just go here. So after changing the color, let's go to the border width. So you can adjust this one as well. And we also have here the post background. So it's 100% white. And then the next one is the category feed. Okay, so right here we can also adjust this settings. So now that we're done, let us go ahead and manage our post. So let me just close this one. And then right here, let us try to add our own post. Okay, so I'll be showing you that. Just click on the manage post option. And since we don't have a post yet in this website, we're just going to simply click on create a new post at the top right or this one at the center. Okay, so I'll be clicking on this option right here at the center. So just click on create a new post. And then right here, it'd be redirected to your dashboard. So what you're going to do here is to add a catchy title. Start writing your post here. You can add images, videos, hashtags, and more. So for example, for the title, beauty, and then you can also create a quick description using the AI. Okay, so after that, let us try to add an image. So to add an image, just simply click on this add option at the top left and then just drag the image right here. Or simply click on this one and then you have to choose or upload your own media. Here you can start adding your files. So I'm just going to use media from Wix and search for a specific image that I am going to use. So for example, this one. So that just click on add to page. Okay, so assuming that we are done creating or adding all of the details of our post, we just have to simply click on the publish option at the top right. Okay, so let me just add here a content AI. Okay, so I'm going to replace this one. Okay, so now that we're done, we just have to simply click on the publish option at the top right. Okay, this one right here, and then let us now close this one and go back to our blog page and see if we have successfully added a post to our blog page. Okay, so let me just refresh this feed, and as you can see, since we just added one post, we can only see one post in our blog page. So you can add more posts if you want to. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.